Hey friends, it's Jenny and I'm here at the house and there's progress happening all around, but I want to show you one feature that I think is kind of cool and you might not see it every day. We just had the front door installed and it is called a pivot hinge front door. Take a look at how it works. I want you to pay attention to this corner up here. As I go to open the door, we're gonna pull this handle open and watch the hinge. This is a pivot hinge door. Check out the front view here. We've got a huge, I'm gonna keep this open for y'all, huge door handle, woo, with a glass panel. Another sneak peek here, the floating stairs have been installed. They're not finished yet, and obviously the spindles aren't in, but the structure's in. Okay, the last little sneak peek that I'm gonna show you today is we have a loft here, and we have a vaulted ceiling, as you can see kind of behind me right here. And you know, I can't have a normal light fixture like everybody else, so I talked to the electricians. Maybe I should say I talked the electricians into helping me create a custom light fixture. And it is not installed yet, obviously, and it's not painted yet. But take a look at how cool this is gonna be. It's gonna fill up the entire flat ceiling space in the loft. It's made entirely out of electrical parts. It's gonna look really badass once it's installed. See you next time.